Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today we will be starting the lecture number 0.6, the plant anatomy, and we will start today from the tissue system. There are three types of tissue system. First one is epidermal tissue system, second one is ground tissue system, and third one is vascular tissue system. And then in epidermal tissue system, three soft tissue system come under. First one is epidermis, second one is epidermal appendages and epidermal structure. In epidermal appendages, root hair and stem hair, which is also called trichome, come under. And third one is epidermal structure. Here, stomata is come. And then second types of tissue system is ground tissue system. In ground tissue system, like their epidermis, epidermal appendage, epidermal structure in epidermal tissue system. Similarly, here in ground tissue system, cortex, pericycle, fifth comes under. Cortex include hypodermis, central cortex, endodermis. Endodermis is the innermost layer of the cortex. And then vascular tissue system, it is the last one types of tissue system. It is xylem and phloem arrangement. All tissue below the endodermis, all are come under vascular tissue system. Below endodermis, pericycle, pith, vascular bundle, eustelic, that is also known as stellar system. It is found in dicot stem and roots. Let's start from the epidermal tissue system. The first types of epidermal tissue system is epidermis. Epidermis is the outermost layer. It is parenchymatous layer cell. Here intercellular space is absent. Epidermis, outermost is epidermis, and there is large central vacuole in epidermis, and peripheral there is cytoplasm. It is single layer. There is no chloroplast except epidermis of leaf. In the epidermis of leaf, there is chloroplast, but we cannot find any chloroplast in epidermis. And then second one is epidermal appendages. Epidermal appendages of root, also known as epiblema, rhizotoms, that is also called root hairs. Peripheral layers, root hair, which is unicellular, and it is over the epiblema. Epiblema is also known as epidermis. It is exogenous because it's produced from the outer layer of the epiblema. It is also single layer. Cuticle is absent, and root hair increase the surface area for absorption. And let's start the epidermis appendages of stem, also known as trichome. The stem here is also called trichome. Here cuticle is present. Stem here trichome. It is also exogenous. They may be branched. The trichome may be branched. On branch, it prevents from the transpiration. It is secretory in function. And the last one is epidermis appendages of leaf. There are two types on the basis of location. First one is axial epidermis. Second one is abaxial epidermis. It is found in upper. Upper means upper epi is adiaxial and abaxial is lower. And we compare the dicot leaf and monocot leaf. Dicot leaf is dorsoventral, horizontal. Monocot leaf is isobilateral, ventricle. And then dicot leaf also divided into two parts. First one, abaxial, it is lower and dorsal. Adaxial is ventral and upper. Here in dorsal area, in lower area, there is more stomata. There is less stomata. Adaxial, upper low stomata, upper low stomata, lower abaxial, greater number of stomata. It is light in color because it lower, it is horizontal. That's why the sunlight cannot directly impact the lower side. That's its color is light, it is dark color. There is thin cuticle because there is no excess amount of water and there is thick cuticle. There is reticulate variation. More variation is found in dicot leaf. And then the abaxial epidermis, this is lower epidermis. Monocot leaf is isobilateral, it is vertical. Same number of stomata is found in abaxial and adaxial. There is thick cuticle in abaxial. There is a thin cuticle in abaxial of dicot leaf, and there is thick cuticle in abaxial of monocot leaf. There is thin cuticle of adaxial epidermis in monocot leaves. There is thick cuticle in adaxial in dicot leaf. There is parallel venation in monocot leaves, whereas there is reticulate venation in dicot leaf. There is less variation. And then adaxial epidermis. Adaxial epidermis is modified. Adaxial epidermis is modified into bluriform. And last one, types of epidermis tissue is stomata. It is epidermal appendages only present in epidermis of leaf. Stomata is only present in epidermis of leaves. There is guard cell. Only one epidermal cell having chloroplast is called guard cell. Only one epidermal cell having chloroplast. They must contain the chloroplast, so they are called guard cell. Otherwise, no. Also there in stomata there is soft accessory cell which help guard cell. It is cell present. It also have a epidermal cell present outside the guard cell. It is present outside the guard cell. They are radially arranged. Guard cell open entry as 2O target. It increases the water target open when there is excess amount of water. They open and it's become target. When it's less lemur, there is a scarcity of water, it closes and exists as 2O and it become flaccid. Here we can see the picture of guard cell. Here is chloroplast. This is dicot types of guard cell in dicot plants. So this is kidney shape. The inner wall is thick, outer wall is thin. Kidney V. The shape of the guard cell in dicot is kidney or bean shape. In monocot, guard cells are like dumbbell. There is also chloroplast and they look like a dumbbell. In dicot, chloroplast it present and there is cellulogenic microfibrils. There is their center is called stoma. Here is guard cell and substacey cell around the guard cell is present. In monocot, the guard cell is like a dumbbell cell. There is also a substacey cell around the guard cell. Chloroplast is present and there is also presence of cellulogenic microfibrils. And stomata apparatus, stomatal pore, guard cell, substacey cell. The three Apparatus is come under the stomatal apparatus. First one is stomatal pore, second one is guard cell, and third one is subsidiary cell. Its function of stomata: actions of gases, transpiration. Very easy. And here is a note for cuticle. Cuticle is a waxy covering. It prevents the H2O loss. It present in leaf and stem epidermis and absent in root epidermis. The function of whole epidermal tissue system is protection, secretion, actions of gases, control of transpiration, absorption of water, minerals. It's all over the epidermal tissue system. We complete today.